Next problem. If sin alpha by A is equal cos alpha by B, then prove that A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha is equal to B. So taking LHS, sin alpha by A is equal cos alpha by B. Sin alpha by A is equal cos alpha by B. Taking cross multiplication, so B into sin alpha, B sin alpha is equal alpha cos alpha. B sin alpha is equal small a is equal a cos alpha. So what is the given condition taking LHS? This is the condition. Sin alpha by A is equal cos alpha by B. So taking the cross multiplication, B sin alpha is equal A cos alpha. So taking LHS term, A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha. So next, A into sin 2 alpha is form of sin 2A. 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin alpha cos alpha plus B into cos 2 alpha write as 1 minus in terms of sin 2 sin square alpha. Okay, sin 2A is equal 2 sin A cos A. Next, cos 2A is equal in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square A. Okay, so simplification, 2 into A, 2A sin alpha cos alpha plus B into 1B minus 2 into B, 2B sin square alpha. So what is the common in both two terms? Okay, so I will write 2 sin alpha, I will write 2 sin alpha into A cos alpha. A cos alpha, I will write minus 2B sin square alpha plus B plus B. 2 sin alpha into A cos alpha write as, please observe, A cos alpha write as A cos alpha. What is the value? A cos alpha write as B sin alpha. This is a condition. A sin A cos alpha replace A cos alpha replace B sin alpha. B sin alpha minus 2B sin square alpha plus B. 2B sin alpha sin square alpha minus 2B sin square alpha plus B. So cancellation the same terms, 2B sin square alpha minus 2B sin square alpha cancel. That is the value B. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Right now. Next problem. In next problem, in triangle ABC, tan A by 2 is equal to 5 by 6, tan B by 2 is equal to 20 by 37. Then show that tan C by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Given tan A by 2 is equal 5 by 6. Tan A by 2 value is 5 by 6 and tan B by 2 is equal 20 by 37. So what is the given condition in triangle ABC? In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, sum of all angles equal to 180 degree. A plus B plus C is equal pi means 180. So A plus B is equal pi minus C plus C transposing right side minus C. Taking divided by each term, divided by 2 each term, because tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2. So dividing each term by 2, A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal pi by 2 minus C by 2. Okay. So taking tan on both sides, taking tan on both sides, taking tan on both sides. So taking tan on both sides, tan of A by 2 plus B by 2 is equal tan of pi by 2 minus C by 2. So what is the formula? Tan of A plus B form. This is comparing with tan of A plus B. So tan of A plus B form, A replace A by 2. Tan A, that means tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2 by 1 minus tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 is equal tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta, in first coordinate tan replace cot C by 2. Substitute the each value. Substitute the value. Tan A by 2 value how much? Tan A by 2 is equal 5 by 6. 5 by 6 plus tan B by 2 value 20 by 37 whole divided by 1 minus tan A by 2 5 by 6 tan B by 2 20 by 37 is equal. Cot is right as 1 by tan C by 2. So simplification 637 LCM. So 637 LCM. Yeah. So LCM is 637 LCM whole 7 LCM whole divided by 6 into 37 222 cross multiplication 5 into 37 185 plus 2 into 1 6 120 120 whole divided by, so big fraction, say 1 minus 100 by triple 2 is equal 1 by tan C by 2. So, so both side honest 180 plus 120, that is the value 305 by triple 2 whole divided triple 2 minus 100, triple 2 minus 100 122 by triple 2 is equal 1 by tan C by 2. So cancellation triple 2 305 by 122 is equal 1 by tan C by 2. 1 by tan C by 2. So 61 5 ja 61 5 ja by 305. 61 2 ja 122. So directly cancellation 5 ja 2 ja. So 5 by 2 cross multiplication 5 tan c by 2 is 5 tan c by 2. 5 tan c by 2 is equal to, so tan c by 2 is equal 2 by 5. Okay, right. Next problem. So LHS equal to RHS. So prove that 1 minus secant 8 alpha by 1 minus secant 4 alpha is equal tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. So taking LHS, 1 minus secant 8 alpha by 1 minus secant 4 alpha is equal, this is the main fraction, 1 as 1 as right as 1 by 1 minus secant 8 alpha right as 1 by cos 8 alpha, 1 as right as 1 by 1, 1 by cos 4 alpha, 1 by cos 4 alpha. So cross multiplication, cos 8 alpha minus 1 by cos 8 alpha by cos 4 alpha minus 1 by cos 4 alpha. So taking the LCM, cos 8 alpha, so cross multiplication, 1 into 8 cos alpha, cos 8 alpha, cos 8 alpha, 1 into 1, 1. Next denominator LCM, 1 into cos 4 alpha, cos 4 alpha, 1 into cos 4 alpha, cos 4 alpha, minus 1 into 1, 1. Okay, so cos finally, I have common to the minus. So minus is common in the first step, 1 minus cos 8 alpha by cos 8 alpha, cos 8 alpha, say whole divided by minus is common, 1 minus cos 4 alpha by cos 4 alpha. So minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel. Next step, write down. So please observe next step, 1 minus cos 8 alpha is right as 2 into 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha. So reciprocal, 1 minus, next 1 minus cos, sorry, reciprocal the value, the fraction is reciprocal, cos 4 alpha by 1 minus cos 4 alpha right as 2 into 2 alpha, 2 into 2 alpha, 1 minus, I will write 1 minus cos 2 alpha. What is the formula? So one second, against it, 1 minus 2 into 4 alpha by 1 minus cos 2 into 2 alpha into cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha. So what is the formula? 1 minus cos 2a is equal 2 sine square a, 2 sine square a. So I will write 2 sine square 4 alpha. A replace 4 alpha. Say 2 sine square. A replace 2 alpha. 2 alpha into cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha. Cos 8 alpha. Right now, next step. Okay, next step. 2 sine square. I will write sine 4 alpha into sine 4 alpha by 2 sine 2 alpha into sine 2 alpha. Sine 2 alpha. Next, into cos 4 alpha cos 8 alpha sin 4 alpha cos 4 alpha 2. What is represent? Please observe. 2 sin alpha cos alpha. I will write 2 sin 2 sin 4 alpha cos 4 alpha. Angles are same. Sin 4 alpha by. So next line 2 sin 2 alpha sin 2 alpha 2 sin 2 alpha sin 2 alpha into cos 8 alpha. What is the formula? Two angles are same. 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A form sin 2A. 2 into 4 alpha into sin 4 alpha by 2 sin 4 2 alpha sin 2 alpha into cos 8 alpha. Okay, next observe sin 8 alpha sin 8 alpha into by 2 sin 2 alpha sin 2 alpha into cos 8 alpha. Okay, please observe this line. Sin 2 alpha, right? Sin 2a form 2 into 2 alpha. So what is sin 2a? So write down. Continue next step. Okay, next line. Continue. Sin 8 alpha divided by cos 8 alpha into sin 2a form. Sin 2a form. Sin 2a is equal to sin a cos a. ఇక్కడ sin 2a. Now taking 2 sin a replace 2 alpha. 2 sin alpha cos 2 alpha by remaining term 2 sin 2 alpha 2 alpha sin 2 alpha. So sin by cos same angle sin by cos sin theta by cos theta tan 8 alpha 2 to remove 2 value remove next value sin 2 alpha also remove cos 2 alpha by cos sin 2 alpha cot 2 alpha. So tan 8 alpha cot is right as 1 by tan reciprocal of tan. So tan 8 alpha into 1 by tan 2 alpha. So therefore tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. Okay, right now next problem. So this step continues the this step. Okay, next problem. So next question. Prove that cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A is equal sin 16A by 16 sin A, and hence deduce that cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15, cos 16 pi by 15 is equal 1 by 16. So first of all, taking the LHS value, cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A. So, so I will take multiplication and division by 2 sin A, 2 sin A, 2 sin A, multiplication and division, 2 sin A, remaining right as 2 sin A cos A, cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A, 8A. So 1 by 2 sin A, this is the direct form. 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A sin 2A, sin 2A into cos 2A, cos 4A, cos 8A, cos 8A. Next same formula. I will apply the same formula. So 1 by, I will take 2 into 2 sin A, multiplication and division by 2, 2 sin 2A cos 2A, multiplication and divided by 2, multiplication and divided by 2, 2 sin A cos A into cos 4A cos 8A, same, 1 by 4 sin A, 2 sin A cos A value, 2 sin A cos A, same, sin 2A, angles are same, 2 sin 2A, 2 into 2A, cos 4A cos 8A, cos 8A. Next, so 1 by, I will also take 2 into 4 sin A into 2, 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, sin 4A, sin 4A cos 4A, 2 2 ja 4A, sin 4A, 2 2 is taken, cos 8A, cos 8A, say 1 by 8 sin A, 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A, A is replaced 4A, cos 8A, same, I will take the same, 2 by 2 is taking, 2 by 2 is taking, 1 by 2 into 2, 2 by 2 is taking 8 sin A, sin 2 2 ja 8A cos 8A, so 1 by 16A, 1 by 8 2 ja 16 sin A, 1 by 16 sin A, 1 by 16 sin A, 2 sin A cos A sin 2A, 2 into 16. So finally sin 1 into sin is observe 2A, A value 8A, 8A, sin 16A by 16 sin A, 16 sin A. So first one is proof, sin 16A is equal 16 sin A, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. What is the LHS value? Cos A, LHS value. Cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into cos 8A is equal sin 16A by 16 sin A. This is a LHS equal to RHS. And hence deduce that cos 2 pi by 15. Please observe cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15, cos 16 pi by 15. So A replace 2 pi by 4. Put A is equal, capital A is equal 2 pi by 15 is substitute. 2 pi by 15 is substitute. So cos A replace 2 pi by 15, cos 2A, 2 2 ja 4, 4 pi by 15, 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 pi by 15, 8 2 ja 16, cos 16 pi by 15 is equal sin 16A, 16A replace 2 pi by 15 by 16 sin 2 pi by 15. 2 pi by 15. So 2 pi by 15, that is the value 2 by 15 into 180. So 180, 15 1 ja 15, 15 1 ja 15, 15 6 ja 160, 61. So finally sine 16 into 32. 16 2 ja 32, that is the value 32 degree by 16 sine. So once again please observe 2 pi by 15. 2 by 15 into 180. 15 1 ja 15 2 ja 12 2 ja 24 degree. Substitute sine 16 into 24 degree by 16 sine 24 degree. Sine 16 into 24, 384, 384 degree by 16 sine 24 degree. Okay, write down, continue next step. Okay, next continue step. Sine 384, I will write 84, 360 plus 24 by 16 sine 24. Sine of 360 plus theta first coordinate, directly write sine 24 by 16 sine 24. Sine 24 1 ja, sine 24 cancel. Final answer 1 by 16. Okay, write down. Next problem. So next problem, prove that cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11 is equal 32. So same taking LHS value, cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11. This is a LHS value. Please observe. I will take let s equal to let s c. Sorry. I will taking let c is equal all are sign. Let I will take s equal to s are taking all sign. Let c equal to cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11. Next s equal taking sin pi by 11, sin 2 pi by 11, sin 3 pi by 11, sin 4 pi by 11, sin 5 pi by 11. Okay, next 1 and 2. Taking 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is multiplication. 1 into 2. C into S. C into S. Cos into sin. So please observe cos pi by, I will write in order. I will write in order. So S into C. Sin into C. S into C. Write in order. Sin pi by 11 into cos pi by 11 into sin 2 pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by into sin 3 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into sin 4 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into sin 5 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Please observe this step. Next. So sin pi by 11 cos pi by 11 angle same. Sin 2 pi by 11 cos 2 pi by 11 angle same. Sin 3 pi by 11 cos 3 pi by 11 also angle same. Sin 4 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 angle is same. Sin 5 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11 also angle same. So I will take 1 by 2. Please observe 1 by 2 into 2. I will take into 2 sin pi pi by 11 cos pi by 11. Same 1 by 2 is taking. So next observe 1 by 2 into 2 sin pi by 11 cos pi by 11. Same 1 by 2 into 2 sin 2 pi by 11 cos 2 pi by 11. Same 1 by 2 into 2 sin 3 pi by 11 cos 3 pi by 11. 1 by 2 into 2 sin 4 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11. 1 by 2 into 2 sin 5 by 11 to sin pi by 11 to sin 5 pi by 11 into cos pi by 11. What is the formula? 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a is equal 1 by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. Sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 pi by 11. Sin 2 pi by 11. Next sin 2a. Sin 2a. 2 into pi by 11. 2 pi by 11. 4 pi by 11. Sin 5 pi by 11. Same sin 2a. Sin 2a. 2 into 2 into 3 pi by 11. 6 pi by 11. Sin 2 into 2a. 2 into 4 pi by 11. 8 pi by 11. Same sin 2 5 are 10 pi by 11. Sine 2a. 2 sin a cos a. Sine 2a. Okay. 1 by 32 sine 2 pi by 11 into sine 4 pi by 11 into this terms is change sine of 6 pi by 11 write as pi minus 5 pi by 11 5 pi by 11 same sine 8 pi by 11 write as sine of pi minus 3 pi by 11 11 minus 3 8 pi same as sine 10 pi write as pi minus pi by 11 pi minus pi by 11 write as Mr. 1 by 32 sine 2 pi by 11 sine 4 pi by 11 sine of 180 minus theta second coordinate sine is there finally sine 5 pi by 11 same sine 180 minus theta sine 3 pi by 11 sine pi by 11 this is equal to s into c please observe s into c is equal 1 by 32 what is refer this all term sine pi by 11 sine 2 pi by 11 write in order sine 3 pi by 11 sine 4 pi by 11 sine 5 pi by 11 s into c is equal 1 by 32 into this all terms referred as s yes cancel yes cancel finally c is equal to 1 by 32 c is equal 1 by 32 so c means what is the taking c right last line what is the taking the c c means cos pi by 11 c means cos pi by 11 cos 2 pi by 11 cos 3 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 cos 5 pi by 11 is equal to 1 by 32 LHS is equal to RHS right now. Next problem. So next problem, prove that cos 2 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 8 pi by 11 is equal 1 by 8. Same, all are taking, yes. Let taking in terms of c, c is equal cos 2 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 8 pi by 11. So I will take in s in all terms are sine. Sine 2 pi by 11 sine 4 pi by 11 sine 8 pi by 11 so 1 and 2 1 and 2 is multiplied s into c s into c multiplied so sine 2 pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 same problem same sine 4 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11 into sine 8 pi by 11 into cos 8 pi by 11. Next step taking 1 by 2 into 2 sine 2 pi by 11 cos 2 pi by 11. Next 1 by 2 into 2 sine 4 pi by 11 cos 4 pi by 11. 1 by 2 into 2 sine 8 pi by 11 cos 8 pi by 11. So 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A, sin 2A, 2 into 2 pi by 4, 4 pi by 11. This terms is transpose. Next, this terms 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, final answer 1 by 8. Same sin 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A, 2 into 4, 8 pi by 11. Next, same 2 sin A cos A, sin 2A, 2 into 8, 16 pi by 11. 16 pi by 11. 1 by 8 sine 4 pi by 11 sine 8 pi by 11. Please observe 2 sin A cos A formula apply. 2 sin A cos A value sin 2A. A replace 2 pi by 4. A replace 4 pi by 11. A replace 8 by 11. So sin 4 pi by 11 sin 8 pi by 11. Next sin 16 pi by 11 write as 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7. 1 by 8 sine 4 pi by 11 into sine 8 pi by 11 sine 360 plus theta first coordinate directly write sine 2 pi by 7. S into C is equal, this is the value S into C. So 1 by 8 write in order sine 2 pi by 7 sine 4 pi by 7 sine 8 pi by 7. S into C is equal 1 by S into S. S remove. Final answer C is equal final answer C is equal 1 by 8. What is the C value? First equation cos 2 pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7 cos 8 pi by 7 is equal 1 by 8. Okay, right.